case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A groundbreaking case unfolded in the Iowa Supreme Court in 1974, under the title of Handeland v. Brown, revolving around the contentious concept of contributory negligence. The roots of this legal question trace to a car collision with a motorcycle, ridden by the minor's son Vincent of the plaintiff Ronald Handeland. Following the collision, Mr. Handeland sought compensation from Jane Eileen Brown, the car's driver, and Dennis Brown, the car's owner, citing medical expenses and loss of companionship under Rule 8 of the Rules of Civil Procedure. The central premise of contention was whether Vincent's alleged contributory negligence could be used as a defense to debunk Mr. Handeland's claim. In a surprising turn of events, the lower court ruled that such a defense was indeed applicable, essentially affirming that if the minor's claim could be nullified by attributing a share of the accident's causality to his negligence, then, logically, it could also extend to the parent's claim. However, this decision was appealed, leading the case to the chambers of the Iowa Supreme Court. The appeal court painstakingly examined the principles outlined in both the Restatement of Torts 2nd and the Rule 8 of the Rules of Civil Procedure. Ultimately, in a crucial deviation from the lower court's ruling, the Supreme Court held that the defense of contributory negligence that worked against the minor's claim did not necessarily extend to the parent's claim. They rigorously rejected Section 494 of the Restatement of Torts 2nd, a precedent that previously did allow such extensions. The court clarified that as long as the child's negligence was not the primary cause of the accident, it could not serve as a defense against a parental claim under Rule 8. Thus, the previous ruling was overturned, condemning the lower court's instructions as erroneous and granting the plaintiff Mr. Handeland a new trial. This landmark decision not only reshaped the understanding of contributory negligence, but also ended up safeguarding the rights of parents to seek damages irrespective of their child's actions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.